Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to make chocolate chunk cookies. For this, add a half cup of powdered sugar, three-quarters of a cup of brown sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of vegetable oil. Now mix all of these ingredients. After mixing, add 1 egg and few drops of vanilla essence. Again, mix it really well. Now you will have to add 1.5 cup of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix it with spatula. Later it will gonna look like this. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix it again. Finally, add a good quality of 8 ounces or 1 cup of dark chocolate chunks. Fold it with a spatula, and yeah, it was a bit difficult task. Cover it with wrapping sheet and put it in a fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out and make small round balls and place them on a well-greased baking tray. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until slightly golden on the edges, and let the cookies cool on a wire rack, and after that you can enjoy these awesome cookies. I would like it if you share how your cookies turned out. Till then, goodbye.